Hello children, I am Shubhashish. Children, angles and circles are everywhere in daily life. For example, bicycle wheels and clock faces are circles. The corners of books or tables are angles. Learning how to draw and measure these shapes helps in many activities. In this video, you will learn to draw circles, angles, and divide them into equal parts using tools like a compass and protractor. These tools help create shapes like a 90-degree angle, which is the corner of a room, or a 60-degree angle like on a clock. Geometry is not just about drawing, but understanding how shapes work in the world around us. From roadsides to furniture, geometry is all around us. Learning outcomes. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to know: learn how to draw a circle using a compass with a given radius. Understand how to measure and draw angles like 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. Learn how to bisect an angle and create equal parts. Learn to use a protractor to measure and draw angles accurately. Keywords from this lesson are circle, angle, compass, protractor, radius, angle bisector, measuring angles, compass and protractor, bisecting angles. Children, first let us see the circle. It is a round shape in which all the points of its boundary are at equal distance from its center. Angles. An angle is formed by two rays that share a common endpoint called the vertex. Now let us learn how to construction of a circle if the radius is known. Draw a circle of radius 5 cm. To draw a circle, we need a compass and ruler to measure the length. Step 1. Open the compass and measure the length of 5 cm using a ruler. Step 2. Mark a point O, which we will use as the center of the circle. Step 3. Put the pointer on the point O. Step 4. Turn the compass to make a complete circle. Remember to do it in one instance. Construction of an angle with a given measure. Draw an angle of 60 degrees using a protractor. Step 1. Draw a line segment PA. Step 2. Put the protractor on the line in such a way that the center of the protractor lays on point B and the zero edge comes on the line segment BA. Step 3. Start from 0 degrees and mark the point C at 60 degrees. Step 4. Join BC by ruler. Angle CBA is the required angle. The bisector of an angle. An angle bisector is the line segment which divides a particular angle into two equal parts. It is also called the line of symmetry of the angle. Construction of angle bisector using a ruler and a compass. Draw the angle bisector of angle O. Step 1. By using compass, put the pointer on O and draw an arc of any radius so that it cut the rays at point A and B. Step 2. Using the compass, put the pointer on point at A and draw an arc of the radius of more than half of AB. Step 3. While taking B as the center, we'll draw an arc of the same radius so that it cut the previous arc at point C. Step 4. Join OC. OC is the required angle bisector of angle O. Hence, angle BOC is equal to angle COA. Now let us see angles of special measures. There are some angles which we can construct accurately with the help of a compass without using a protractor. Construction of 60-degree angle. Step 1. Draw a line M and mark a point C on it. Step 2. Place the pointer of the compasses at C as the center and draw an arc of any radius to cut the line at point D. Step 3. While taking D as the center, we need to draw an arc of the same radius to cut the previous arc. Step 4. Let the two arcs intersect at E. Join CE. Angle C is equal to 60 degrees. Construction of 30-degree angle by bisecting 60-degree angle. To construct an angle of 30 degrees, we need to draw an angle of 60 degrees as above, then bisect it with the process of an angle bisector. We will continue the steps from construction of 60-degree angle. Step 5. With E as the center, use a compass to draw an arc of a convenient radius in the interior of angle ECD. Step 6. With the same radius, use D as the center to draw another arc, cutting the previous arc at point F. Step 7. Finally, join points F and C with a straight line. Angle FCD is the required angle with a measuring of 30 degrees. Construction of 120-degree angle. It is the twice of 60-degree angle. Step 1. Draw a line M and mark a point C on it. Step 2. Put the pointer on point C and draw an arc of any radius which cuts the line M at point D. Step 3. While taking D as the center, we need to draw an arc with the same radius to cut the previous arc at E. Again, take E as the center and draw an arc of the same radius to cut the first arc at point F. Step 4. Join CF. Angle FCD is equal to 120 degrees. Construction of 90-degree angle. It can be made by two methods. Method 1. Step 1. Use a ruler to draw a long straight line L. Step 2. Mark any point O on the line L, which will be the center. Step 3. Place the compass pointer at O. Set the radius to any length and draw two arcs. One to the left and one to the right of point O, intersecting the line L. Label the intersection points as A on the right and B on the left. Step 4. Place the compass pointer at point A. Set the radius to any length greater than half the distance between A and B. And draw a large arc above the line L. Repeat the same with the compass pointer at point B, creating another arc that intersects the first arc at point C. Step 5. Join point C to the center point O. The line OC is the perpendicular bisector of line L, dividing it into two equal parts and forming a 90-degree angle at O. Method 2. Draw a bisector of 60 degrees and 120 degrees. Step 1. Draw a straight line M and mark a point C on the line. Step 2. Place the compass pointer at point C and draw an arc of any radius that intersects the line M at point D. Step 3. Place the compass pointer at point D and draw an arc of the same radius to intersect the previous arc at point E. Now place the compass pointer at point E and using the same radius, draw an arc that intersects the first arc at point F. Join C to point E to form angle DCE equals to 60 degrees and join C to point F to form angle DCF equals to 120 degrees. Step 4. Now we need to bisect both angle DCE and angle DCF. Place the compass pointer at point E with the same radius as before and draw an arc. Next, place the compass pointer at point F and draw another arc that intersects the first arc at point G. Step 5. Draw the final bisector. Join point C to point G. The line CG is the bisector of the 60 degrees and 120 degrees angle and creates a 90-degree angle at point C. Thanks for watching.